Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying hardware. Check the device spec for power delivery, quick charge, or vendor fast charge. Next, swap in a proper cable rated 3A or higher. Cheap leads limit current. Then plug a charger that matches the protocol and wattage your device expects. For phones, often 18W to 30W. For laptops, 45W to 100W. Once done, use the shortest practical cable to reduce losses, and position the charger where it stays cool so thermal throttling does not slow charging. Once charging is underway, optimize the load so the battery can accept peak current. You should enable airplane mode or turn off data and Wi-Fi. That reduces power draw. Also, close demanding apps, lower brightness, and disable location services. This prevents the device from heating and allows higher charge currents. Make sure the charger and cable are seated firmly. Intermittent contact forces the charger to renegotiate and step down. If the device shows a fast charge icon or a wattage readout, that confirms proper negotiation. You finish by following vendor guidance. Many recommend stopping around 80% for long battery life during repeated fast charge cycles, but full charges are fine occasionally. If you see slow charging, swap the cable first, then test another certified PD or QC charger. Connectors and cables fail more than batteries. If the device overheats, unplug immediately and let it cool, then retry with a lower wattage charger. If problems persist, contact support or visit a service center, because faulty power management needs professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.